The graph at the time of this recording is attempting another bounce back to the upper side after continuing to hold above a horizontal line of support above the 0.084. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the graph chart for the next coming hours. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video on the 4-hour chart, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside from the highs we made above the 0.1317, where you can see that I have been terming that initial drop as the formation of that wave 1 to the downside. Then we saw a bit of a bounce in the formation of that second wave into the minimum target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using that yellow target area, an area within which we got rejected, starting another pullback in the formation of these wave 3. And the minimum target areas for the wave 3 were given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of the wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of that second wave. And the fib ratio 1:1, which was the area that I was paying attention to, above the 0.0976, was fully maximized. Then you can see that over the weekend we saw a bit of a bounce over here into yesterday, and we didn't quite get into the minimum target areas for that wave 4 over here between the 0.1074 and the 0.1032. You can see that we started a pullback to the downside, flipping the low we made in the formation of these wave 3 back into resistance. And at the time of this recording, we are now slightly holding above it, but the moment we manage to get below that significant low once again, then I will be expecting a straight sell-off to the downside in the formation of these wave 5. And the minimum target areas for the wave 5 can be given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of the wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low we made in the formation of that wave 3. And on so doing, the area that I'm paying attention to lies on the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.07, an area that we can easily maximize. I also need to bring to your attention another significant area that I'm paying attention to that was given using the Fibonacci's, because you can see that from the lows we made on the 7th of April, GRT was able to give us a bounce in an ABC corrective structure, giving us that high above the 0.1314. And having seen such a significant bounce, I was expecting a bit of a pullback that I needed to see holding within Fibonacci key areas of supports that were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made down there in the formation of the wave A to the high of that wave C. And the area that I have been paying attention to is between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is between the 0.0987 and the 0.0803, which is the blue target area over here. And you can see that the graph has almost fully maximized that target area, and we can easily see a reaction of this target area in a move that should start another bounce that should easily give us a break above significant highs, and also give us a break above the high we made above the 0.1314 for us to confirm that a more bullish case scenario is now unfolding. In the meantime, in case we don't get that reversal, then expect one more new low in the formation of that impulsive edge wave count 5. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting the graph to follow for the next coming days, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.